Hello guys, welcome to our channel Rules Guru. So today video is very informative and the video is on how to upload expenditure through TSA at PFMS. So let's come. First log into the PFMS, then go to TSA, then TSA expenditure, TSA new expenditure entry, and then this type of panel will come. There is a scheme, bank account. You can select vendor when you want to pay the date of payment, duration, component, all these things. So I let you know one by one what to do from initial to end. So first select your scheme, that is 8873 Central University's bank account. Select the scheme like general 31 for consumable, 35 for capital and 36 for salary, and then select the vendor. Enter the PFMS barcode. If you don't know how to create a PFMS barcode, then I will create another video on it. Select the vendor, enter the remarks, this is a test entry, and select the sanction date. Net payable before means the payment will not go through before this date. Amount, select narration, select component. If this is a consumable, then you need to select a 31. If capital, then 35. If salary, then 36. And select the head that pertains to you. Revenue 100%, payment. Amount will populate automatically. Then select add and then click save. This is a BP number you need to record on the file so that approver will check through this BP number. Select OK. Yes. This is the details you need to check again. E-sign, add, and then confirm and submit for approval. So this way you can upload your expenditure on the PFMS, then this entry goes to the approver panel for approving. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.